If an object start journey with constant speed from the origin, means I say this is the origin coordinate is 0, 0, this is the O point, and travels 2 meter towards the positive x axis in time 5 second, means in 5 second you can say time taken is 5 second, and this distance we can say this point is A, and this distance traveled is given by 2 meter. It means coordinate of this point will be 2, 0. Then he reverse the direction of the motion, speed is constant, reverse the direction of the motion. In next 10 second travel 7 meter, next 10 second means 5 plus 10 is 15, and 7 meter means 2 meter यहाँ तक आया, 5 meter extra चला. This is the point number B, and coordinate of this point will be given by minus 5, 0, because this is 2 and this is 5, and time taken it is given by 15 second, and here time taken is given by 0. So this is the basically situation. Now we have to plot the displacement time and distance time graph, and we have to interpret these graphs. Now one thing is very much clear to all of you. यहाँ पे लिखा है constant speed. It means the graph between the displacement time and distance time will be straight line, because we know the slope of the displacement time and distance time can give the velocity as well as speed, and that is constant. Okay, displacement में आपको positive और negative दोनों सोचना है, but distance में only we take the magnitude, that is a positive. So if you plot the graph, let I say this is the distance and this is time. Similarly, if I say this is the displacement and this is the time axis. Now one thing is clear to all of you, from t equal to 0 to t equal to 5 seconds, the graph between the distance time and displacement time will be same, क्योंकि positive direction में चल रहा है, and the graph will be straight line because of constant speed. So we can say the graph will be like this, graph will be like this, and we mark or we can label it. So we will say this is the 0 and time taken is 5 seconds and distance traveled is 2 meter. Again it is same situation, this is 0, this is 5 seconds, and this is 2 meter position. Okay, now from A to B, now the direction of motion is changing. It means one thing is very much clear to all of you. पहले origin पे आ रहा है, origin पे आके फिर negative x पे जा रहा है, but the graph will be again straight line. So when we plot the graph pattern will be like this. So we can mark it, we can label it. Here time is taken as a 15 second, time in second, and here distance or displacement from the origin, this is a minus 5, so I will mark it as minus 5, and you can see it is meter. Okay, but we have to plot the distance and time. Then all of you know distance कभी भी down नहीं होती है, it always added. So when we plot the graph cannot become to the negative x-axis, it is always added, so it will increase. Now important thing, ग्राफ का पैटर्न कैसा होगा. क्या ये मैं 3 लाइन बना रहा हूँ, all of you just look it. Will it be the pattern, will it be the pattern, और will it be the pattern? Of course स्ट्रेट लाइन तो होगी, ये तो आपको पता चल गया. डिस्टेंस टाइम का ग्राफ कभी नेगेटिव साइड में तो आएगा ही नहीं, डिस्प्लेसमेंट टाइम नेगेटिव साइड में आएगा, जो आपको फील हो गया. अब आपको 3 ग्राफ दे रहा हूँ मैं, ग्राफ नंबर 1, ग्राफ नंबर 2 एंड ग्राफ नंबर 3. विच ग्राफ इज पॉसिबल, दैट यू हैव टू थिंक. देखो सबसे पहले हम लोग 0 से 5 सेकंड की स्पीड देखें. 0 से 5 सेकंड की स्पीड इज गिवन बाई डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. डिस्टेंस कितनी ट्रेवल करी, 2 मीटर, और टाइम कितना लगा, 5. ठीक है, अब हम लोग 5 to 15 सेकंड का देखें. सेम डिस्टेंस कितना ट्रेवल किया आपने, 5 + 2 7 मीटर, और टाइम कितना लगाया आपने, 10 सेकंड. यानी यहाँ पे आंसर आ रहा है 0.4 और यहाँ पे आंसर आ रहा है 0.7. आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. दोनों का स्लोप डिफरेंट है, यहाँ पे स्लोप आ रहा है 0.4, यहाँ पे स्लोप आ रहा है 0.7, तो ऑप्शन 2 तो हो ही नहीं सकता, एग्जैक्टली सेम लाइन में तो होगा ही नहीं. अब ऑप्शन 1 और 3 में देखो, अगर आप ऑप्शन 1 और 3 में देखो तो 3 का तो स्लोप और डिक्रीज हो गया, जबकि स्लोप तो इंक्रीज होना चाहिए. तो स्लोप इंक्रीज हो, राइट आंसर कौन सा आएगा, ग्राफ नंबर 1. तो राइट आंसर ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम विल बी ग्राफ नंबर 1. सो यू विल चेक इट. दिस एंगल इज θ1 and this angle is θ2. Of course θ2 is more than θ1 because slope is more. 5 second, distance travel 2 meter. another 10 second means 5 plus 10, that is 15. Distance traveled will be given by 7 meter. So 2 plus 7 is 9. So this point coordinate is 9, this point coordinate is 2, this point coordinate is 5 second, this point coordinate is 15 second. So that is the answer of this problem.